morning everyone, my name is Vector M. Tagpuno and for today's video, I will discuss to you about the sequence. What is a sequence? A sequence is an ordered list of elements or items arranged in a specific order. Each element in the sequence has a unique position, often identified by an end. Sequences are fundamental concepts in mathematics and computer science and they can be finite or infinite. Now, I will discuss to you about the finite sequence and infinite sequence. Finite sequence is an ordered list of numbers or object that has a fixed limited numbers or items. So, ang finite sequence is limited lang ang iyang mga numbers o ang items. So, we have here the example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So, ang n, nag-represent na siya nga dira at taman ang iyang sequence. Kaya atong sequence is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, kanang n, nag-represent na siya nga dira at taman ang sequence. So, that is the finite sequence. So, infinite sequence in mathematics is an ordered list of numbers or object that continues indefinitely with no last term. So, ang infinite sequence guys, kay nagapadayon gyapon ang iyang sequence with no last term. Unlike sa finite sequence, kay limited lang iyang sequence, kay limited lang po yung numbers or items. While the infinite sequence kay nagapadayon gyapon ang sequence bisan pila nimo gusto. So this time guys, we have the three types of sequence na i-discuss ko sa inyo isa-isa. Ito ay una, the arithmetic sequence, pangalawa, geometric sequence, at pangatlo ang Fibonacci sequence. So let's go. So again, these are the three types of sequence. First is arithmetic sequence. Second is geometric sequence. And the last is the Fibonacci sequence. Arithmetic sequence is a sequence of number in which the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. This difference is called the common difference. Example number 1, 2, 5, 8, 11, and 14. Para makuha na to ang common difference, we need to subtract the second term to the first term, which is 3. So, the constant is 3. Next step is you need to add the first term to the constant, which is 2 plus 3 equals 5 and so on. So, para mabalaan na to, kunigan na siya, i-plus na to ang 14 sa 3. So, 14 plus 3 equals 17. 17 plus 3 equals 20, 20 plus 3 is 23, 23 plus 3 26, 26 plus 3 equals 29, and so on. To example, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The first thing first na imong buhaton is you need to subtract the second term to the first term, which is 2. The constant is 2, and so on. Next step is you need to add the first term to the constant, which is 2 plus 2 equals 4. O para maibala na ito nga na tinuod, you need to add the 10 plus 2 equals 12, 12 plus 2 equals 14, 2 plus 2 equals 16, and so on. Geometric sequence is a sequence of numbers where each term after the first is found by multiplying the previous term called the common ratio. Example number 1, we have 3, 6, 12, 18. The first thing first, you need to divide the second term to the first term. Then 2 is the constant. Next step is you need to multiply the first term to the constant, which is 3 times 2 equals 6 and so on. Pero para mas balaan na to ang sagot, you need to multiply that 18 times 2 equals 36, then 36 times 2 is 72, and so. Example number 2, we have 2, 4, 8, 16. The first thing first, you need to divide the second term to the first term para makuha nimo ang constant o ang common ratio. Next step is you need to multiply the first term to the constant, which is 2 times equals 4 and so on. Pero para maibalaan na to, makuha na to ang common ratio, you need to multiply the 32 times 2 equals 64, 64 times is 128, and so on. And the last is the Fibonacci sequence. Add all the terms. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You need to add all the terms. The result is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. At dyan nagtatapos ang aking vlog. Goodbye everyone and see you soon.